cardio.
Oi. Yes guys, what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today what we are doing, well, we're going to attempt to do it anyway. We're going to try and fit the short shifter to the Megane RS250. As most of you know, I upgraded gear knobs. We have got this lovely 0.1 shifter extension. The standard one is the, well, you do get one which is the Renault knob. Most people will have the Renault knob. Some people, if they're lucky enough, they'll have this one, which is like the premium RS one, which has got a nice lovely feel to it. But as I'm all an aftermarket man myself, we went for this little bad boy, which is a lovely upgrade. What I'm told is, if you do this mod, it can dramatically change the way the shifter feels. So what we're going to go today, we're going to try and see combine the 0.1 shifter with the short shifting mod, and I'm going to try and show you how to do it step by step. And yeah, hopefully it all goes well. I've got batteries, I've got memory card, I've got some tools, I've got a drill bits. I bought a tap and die set especially for this video. So I'm going to tell you step by step how to do it. The weather's been a tosspot as usual, English weather, haha, great. So yeah, I'm going to drive to my nan's, park the front end into the garage. Depends how wet it is. So yeah, let's get it, and let's get some fuel, because I never have fuel in this car. I literally never drive it, literally go to the shop in it there or thereabouts, and yeah, so I need some fuel, so let's go. This is the reason, yeah, well, there's so many queues in life. Like, I'm at the petrol station now, and I don't know, they must have been pressing the trigger like that to get the fuel out, and then it's like, yeah, they've looked at me to know that, like, yeah, I know I'm taking the piss, I apologise. And like, it's contactless, it's pay as you go at the pump. Why can't you just go bang, done? Like, I literally stick my fuel in, I'm like the world's quickest fueler. I literally bang it in, whack, contactless, gone, I'm on my way. Why couldn't everyone have that same mindset instead of, like, I pay for a mortgage, but I seem to spend more time at the fuel pump than I do sitting in the house. It's like, for God's sake, come on. I want to fit this shifter. So yeah, gonna get the fuel. I'm just putting 95 unleaded in. Like I say, I'm nipping to the shop. If I'm going on track, show, blah 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 blah, whatever, or long drive, then I'll put the optimum fuel in. Maybe when I'm mapped, I'll probably put Tesco Momentum 99 in, or V-Power. But as I only tootle to the shop and that now and again, and it's not mapped, I just stick whatever in. So yeah, I know I'm going to get disliked for that, but that's just the way I am. I'll tell you the truth. I'm not going to lie to you and say I stick V-Power in when I don't. So yeah, I'll let you know when this woman comes back. I'll probably catch coronavirus by the time this woman comes back. Fuck. What do you think of the beard gains anyway? I'm trying to grow it, but I'm not manly enough to have this section yet. So yeah, I look like a little hobo at the minute, but we got to get through the bad to get to the good. So yeah, I'll catch up with you when this lady finishes buying everything in the petrol station. Finally we can get fuel. 95 baby. Ta-da! Right then, so we've arrived at my nan's, and funnily enough it stopped raining, so I might not need the garage now. So yeah, let's see what she's got to offer, and let's get the car done. Hello Fancy! Look at this dog, it's an absolute wallop. This is what my nan gets for keep feeding it. It was my dog, and it was nice and thin when I had him, so yeah, he's a wallop, ain't ya? The cavalry has arrived! And the rain has as well, so you have to fucking put it in there, mate. Give a rev. Give me a rev. So we're gonna kind of go through on like what's to be done. So you got to like basically remove pretty much everything to do with like airbox and that, because where we need to get is literally just under there. So there's clips. There we go. So we just got to remove it with the battery. So got the brackets for that, power supply. Then I'll pretty much remove this unit along the back. Negative, remove that. Pull the battery out, and then there's like 3 or 4 bolts there. ECU. To be fair, move that one. Move that one. I won't actually remove this because there's one at the bottom as well. So just 3 ECU clips. Bosh. Right then, so pretty much everything's disconnected, ready to go out. So we've got bracket at the back. Pretty much should just lift off. Yeah, get that out of the way. That out of the way. That pops off like so. Then battery brackets. There we go. Keep them safe. Down there. Battery. Pull the battery out. And there. And then pretty much all you got to do, undo your 3 ECU clips, and then there is 13mm, 13mm, and I think a 10mm and a 13mm. And then that is where you need to get to, the shifter just there. So yeah, let's crack on. Right then, so battery tries out, ECU's out. I do find these are very, very awkward to get out, like you push the clip and then try and push it down, but it seems like there's a fair bit of resistance. If anyone knows how to like do I push the clip in whilst trying to pull this up, because these are quite difficult to do, but we have daylight. This is where we need to be, right here, and I think literally we've got to drill 20mm, so it's like a little bit out, and then yeah, that's it. So selector, just got to mark it up where we're going to drill, and then go for it, and hopefully we don't go too deep into the gearbox and give it a new breathing hole. So yeah, let's go. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, as I love failing so massively, I'm told I need a 7mm drill bit yet. So that one there is 6.5, so I need a bigger drill bit. So obviously we've got to put the tap in. This is the nipple that we're going to use, and then the tap we are going to use. Tap, dive, whichever. Come on, you. So it's that one. So yeah, we've got to go to B&Q and get a 7mm metal drill bit, so let's go. Right then, so we are not going Halfords, we're going to B&Q to get a 7mm drill bit. I actually bought that drill set knowing I was going to do this. Well, basically I bought it because I said to the missus I'll put the wardrobe up for her, but secretly in my mind I was going to do this, and obviously I've spent 20 quid on a Makita drill bit set, yeah, and it hasn't got what I need, so yeah, looks like we're going to B&Q to get some bits. Let's go. Right then, as they say in Germany, der Sprungtechnik.
It's the capital.
Oi! Right then, so now what we're going to do, apparently this just pops off, so flathead underneath. Please just pop off. Doesn't look like it. Right then, so it literally did actually pop off. As soon as I put the camera down, got my blade underneath it, bosh, straight off. So I think what we've got to do now, 20mm across, and then we've got a centre punch. We're going to centre punch it, drill it straight, and then hope for the best. Right, so on the information that we've been given, it says 20mm from there. I'm not too sure if it's the top of it, the edge of it, so we're roughly we're just gonna mark up from the edge of it, 20mm, get a centre punch, smack it in, drill it, and then hopefully it works. The time we drill through this, it's gonna be fucking Man, disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing. Right then, so we've moved up out in the way of the drill bits. We started off really small to make the little pilot hole so we know everything's pucker. Moved up, we've done like 3. This is the last biggest hole, and then obviously we've got to put the tap in so we can put the thread on, put the nipple on. So yeah, let's just give it a go, you know what I mean? So let's do it. Oi, oi, oi. Woo. Yeah, sound might get stuck. Why are we getting stuck? That wasn't very good for viewing, was it? Okay. You're kidding me, or can I put it on a drill bit? No. It's gonna catch, look. There's no way. Nah, mate. Right then, sometimes when I want things to happen, yeah, I'm not religious, but if you go like this, normally it works, yeah. It's that faith, lads. Mate, come on. Oh my god, I don't know if it's doing it. Well, it ain't coming out. Yeah, it's actually on. Go on, son! And if you've got metal filings like that, yeah, what you should do, wear gloves and wear glasses, because this might happen. Ain't done nothing. Yeah, so sound. So basically, it's actually on. We've got it on nicely, but the only problem is now we've got this bracket in the way. Apparently you can take this off, but someone seems to have farted. You farted with that shit food? Yeah. Mate, I'm trying to be a mechanical geezer here and you're fucking... I'm
just growing there, alright.
Growing. Yeah, so I've got to move this bracket. The only thing is this clutch. Saying that, if I stick it in that one it'll be alright. It's just here it's going to sit free doing nothing. Or I could make a bracket off that and whack it there. So yeah, 18mm socket, as it's Halfords. That's all we've got. We don't have any other tools, so there's no like 18mm deep sockets or anything. So looks like we're gonna have to try and go Halfords, get an 18mm deep socket, and yeah, that's that. Right then, so we had to buy this because they don't actually have any 18mm in stock. So I've just bought a rail instead. So at least I've got it now. There we go, lovely sweet. Right then, so brackets out the way. It's a weird kind of bolt. Where is it? It's weird that is. It's got like a stud coming out the bolt. Here's the bracket for like the clutch. I think that's the clutch line. Obviously we're just going to stick it in there for safeguarding, and it shouldn't foul on anything really. So should be right. So we're going to pop this back on there. There we go. Pop that back on there. Clip that back in there. And then test the gears so you can see how it feels. Right then, let's see if it's made a difference. Yes. Oh, that's definitely helped that, as you know. Yeah, it's literally just notches. That's pretty good to be fair. That is bang on. We'll have to put the battery in that back in and see how it drives. Right then everyone, thank you for watching. That is a wrap, to be honest. It's a bit of an awkward one because obviously it's in the engine bay and that, and it's a bit difficult to what I normally do when I go this and that. So it's a bit of a hard one, but I just want to show you if you can actually see any real difference. I know you can definitely feel the difference, but it definitely, for the cost of the mod, it's definitely a must-do mod, because even if you haven't got the extender, it definitely feels like a shorter throw, to be honest. So when you're battering it and giving it some stick, and it's just little notches rather than big massive throws. So yeah, so that's where we're at the minute. Short shifters on, it feels good. To be fair, I do like it. To be fair, I'm getting used to it, because it's an actual massive change, really. Like, obviously you know how your car changes gear, and obviously when it changes, it's like, whoa, what's going on? But the more I'm driving it, the more I'm getting used to it. I do actually really enjoy it. So yeah, definitely would recommend these shifter knobs from 0.1. They are currently on, I think they're on Megane and Clio's, but I think he's branching out to different brands, so definitely drop him a message. I'll link his Instagram and that down below so you can check him out. But definitely, I think it cost, I bought a new 7mm drill bit, was like £5. I bought a bolt set, a nut set. I think I got 20 nuts. I think that was like £5. And then obviously I had to go Halfords and get an 18mm just to move that bracket. But really, it's like, what? The nipple was like £4, so I can link that in the description if anyone wants to buy that nipple. And it is literally as easy as that. You probably don't have to use a tap and die set. You can literally drill the hole too big, throw the nipple in there, put a knot on the bottom, and job's your uncle. So it's pretty much up to you, but I've obviously tapped it, so I've got a thread on the hole and then put the nut underneath, so it's like double whammy and it ain't gonna come out. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. Drop it a like if you enjoyed it. If you disliked it, please don't dislike it. I'm just trying to do my thing. I'm not trying to be a dickhead. I'm not trying to be a knobhead. I'm not trying to show off and go, oh, look at me with all this money and this fancy car. I'm just being me and showing the general progression of a normal person. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe more than anything. We're on the road to 10k. So yeah, love you all, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.